What if you could enjoy soft, fluffy pancakes without any flour? These flourless cottage cheese pancakes are packed with protein, naturally low in carbs, and perfect for a healthy breakfast. They're incredibly easy to make with just a few simple ingredients, and they taste amazing. Let's get started. Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. If you love healthy, simple recipes that support your wellness goals, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another delicious recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup cottage cheese, 2 large eggs and egg white 1/3, 1/2 cup rolled oats, optional for extra texture or leave out for completely flourless, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 to 2 teaspoons monk fruit sweetener, optional, pinch of salt, butter, avocado oil, or coconut oil for cooking. Add the cottage cheese, eggs, baking powder, vanilla, cinnamon, sweetener, and salt to a blender. If you're using oats, add them now as well. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes so it thickens slightly. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the pan with butter or oil. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles begin to appear and the edges start to set. Carefully flip the pancake and cook another 2 minutes until golden brown. Repeat with the remaining batter. These pancakes are delicious served with fresh blueberries or strawberries, sugar-free maple syrup, Greek yogurt, chopped walnuts or pecans, natural peanut butter or almond butter, a sprinkle of cinnamon. For extra protein, enjoy them with scrambled eggs or turkey sausage. These pancakes are more than just delicious. Cottage cheese is packed with high-quality protein that helps keep you full longer. Eggs provide protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Since there's no traditional flour, these pancakes are lower in carbohydrates than classic pancakes. making them a great option for anyone following a healthier lifestyle or looking for a satisfying breakfast. For the fluffiest pancakes, cook over medium-low heat. Don't flip too early. Let the batter rest before cooking. Use a non-stick skillet for the best results. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or frozen for a quick breakfast later. I hope you enjoy these easy flourless cottage cheese pancakes as much as I do. If you make them, let me know in the comments what toppings you chose. If you found this recipe helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Eat Clean Daily for more healthy, easy recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, eat clean, and have a wonderful day.